Look what we have in here. We have the replacement MFD for a Prius 2007. Problem I've already looked at right now is that part number is different. Mine is a 47220. This is the updated version that came out in 2009. Everything at the back looks the same. I'm going to try it and we'll be able to confirm whether it works or not. There's only two versions of the Prius in Australia at the time. One was just the standard Prius and the other one was an iTech, which is fully loaded, leather seats, sat nav, reverse camera, JBL 6-speaker, and I think it's 5 airbags. Although it's a slightly different part number, it might be because Toyota fixed the problem, right? So let's take it all apart and put it in, and then we'll see. So this is my old one. If you notice the back, 47220. And this is the new one. It's 47260. So we're going to see if this new updated 2009 version can fit my late 2007 model version. The plugs at the back all look the same. They're both the same, reverse camera, sat nav, JBL. So let's see if the 4260 will go in place of the 47220. Let's do that now. Let's turn the car on. I'm just going to show you what happens. You little beauty. There you go. Display. Info. Trip information. Climate. Let's put the aircon on. Audio. Menu. I won't show my map where I am because I am at home, but you can tell that it is working. There you go. So how do I get back to the I can't even remember how to so I got the energy there. I've been running it. Oh, there's my battery. I've been running it now for the last few days, no issue whatsoever. Let's turn the it is it is so nice to drive around with having the aircon at a level that is acceptable and not having to use the controls on the steering wheel. It is so good. Let's turn that off. You can put it on low and not even hear it. Oh, it's so awesome. Alrighty, where was I? So if we go back to info, trip information, consumption. Oh, there's my battery. So some big hills around here, so we always get a charge and then we get a discharge, which I think is pretty good for a battery. Consumption. I'm taking it really easy. I love to not give Saudi Arabia any more money. So we're averaging 4.5 litres per 100 kilometres. The temperature is working, 22 degrees. So, to sum it up, a 47260 MFD will work in a car with a 47220 MFD, which is sat nav, reverse. Oh, hang on, let me show you the reverse camera as well. Just and there's the reverse. It's not clear if you if you picture that there, if you can see that there, that is actually a learner number plate. You know, the girlfriend is learning to drive. Now with her learning to drive, the reverse camera is going to come in so handy, right? So I am so glad I got this. It is working. A 47260 works in a 47220 car. So a 2007, this is a 2007 Prius. And as far as I'm aware, I can't find much information online, but the 47260 is from a 2009. Now the model ended in 2009. So did Toyota actually fix all the problems? Made the MFD more reliable? Well, they don't change the part number for any other reason except they've done something to it, right? They've changed it somehow, somewhere. But everything is exactly the same. All the plugs plug in normally. It bolts on the same. The clock works. The trip meter works. Let's give you a demo there. There's A, B. There's my odometer. I've only done 182,692 kilometers, which is low for a Prius. Hazards work. Yeah, couldn't be happier. $295 on eBay Australia. I'll put the link in the description. Is a Wreckers in Brisbane. $295 posted to me for free. Well, included $295. So if you're thinking about wanting to do this, you got no problem with the part number, with the new model number. Now, of course, this is not going to work in a 4-button one. We've got two models in Australia. We've either got the iTech version, which has got fully loaded, or we've got the standard version, which has got the 4 buttons and no reverse camera and no satellite navigation, etc, etc. But you can't wipe the smile off my face. I'm so happy. In particular, the reverse camera for the girlfriend and for me, and also the climate and the radio. I can put the radio on and tune it. Look, I can tune it to whatever I want again, and I can set all the channels. The Bluetooth is coming on as well. I haven't set the Bluetooth yet, but it comes on. Oh, let me show you. I'll turn it off again. Alrighty, it's off. Turn it back on. That's your little starting procedure. Now, you look up the top. It'll ask me about the Bluetooth in a second. It's probably looking for it now. But it's fully functioning. It's functioning exactly how the 47220 functions, except it's the 47260. Let's see if that Bluetooth. I thought it usually comes up the top here in a second, but maybe it doesn't. I can't remember. Yeah, but for a car that's a 2007 model, and I'm still getting 4.5 litres per 100 kilometers, which I think equates to oh, there you go. The Bluetooth failed. See, I'm not connected. I need to get back in there and do all that. So that does work as well. 4.5 litres per 100 kilometers. Put a comment and let me know what it is in miles per gallon. I think it's 63 miles per gallon, which pretty much beats almost any car from 2020 or 19 or 20, right? So if you really want to save money, you don't want to give your money to Saudi Arabia anymore, a Prius is still a viable option. The parts are dirt cheap now. This whole thing originally was $4,000, I think, from Toyota, but you can get one for $295. And also, the place where I got it from, you can actually see it running in the car. obviously the car is broken, it's at the wreckers, but you can see the map lighting up. And you can see that their location is exact on the map. When I contacted the wreckers there, they didn't know much about these things. They had no idea that they're the different part numbers or everything. I took a chance, I took a risk. I got this 47260 instead of the 47220, and it works. And I'm thinking that I've got the latest version, 47260. Maybe all the problems are all fixed now. Fingers crossed. I'll give you an update soon. So if I helped you in this video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And you'll get to see me driving around in this car, and you'll know whether it's working or not as well. Still working. But I'm confident that Toyota has fixed the problem, being the last version of it. And they don't, what they do, they keep getting it back from the dealer, and the dealer keeps having to fix it for free. So someone in Toyota have said, look, we need to get this more stable, sort it out. And what they've probably done is they've resisted it more, or put more capacitance in it, or whatever they do, and it's a lot more reliable. Thanks for watching. Hope I helped you. Catch you next time. Please like and subscribe.